Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 17th of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather picture perfect today, but a tropical system in the Gulf will affect parts of the state this weekend on Saturday. Then a cold front next week with a chance of strong storms late Monday or Monday night. Very busy weather day, so let's dive in. Here's the upper look this morning. Strong troughing over the northeast United States. That's pulled down some really cool air. 40s on the board. Fort Payne at 40. I would imagine some of our colder pockets are in the upper 30s. Highs today, upper 60s, nothing but sunshine. On the watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of the northeast United States with that big storm system moving through there. Much of the country in cool, stable air. No severe weather expected today. This is tomorrow. But on day 3, which is Saturday, there's a marginal risk over parts of Florida and the South Atlantic coast with our tropical system involved at that point. Now let's go to day 4. This is Sunday. We have a risk of severe storms from near Waco and Dallas-Fort Worth up to Tulsa and near Joplin, Missouri. And then on day 5, which is Monday, we have a risk of severe storms over about the southern 2/3 of Alabama with a cold front coming in here. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And parts of the southeast going to get pretty wet with this tropical system. You can see much of Alabama with amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches. We think the heavier totals with this tropical feature will be over the southeastern corner of the state, down toward Dothan. Speaking of the tropics, the Hurricane Center now giving this thing a 70% chance of becoming a tropical depression or storm in the near term. Check modeling on this thing. This is the GFS ensemble. Most all the members bring it up toward Apalachicola, Panama City, and move it through Georgia and the Carolinas. That keeps most of Alabama on the drier side of the system. Here's the European ensemble. And again, the mean, it's pretty much in the same place, coming up toward Panama City, Appalach, South Georgia, the Carolinas. And the main impact here will be a lot of rain. Here's the intensity guidance. If this becomes a tropical storm, it most likely will be a minimal tropical storm, just a big rainmaker. That's the big story. And yes, breezy, but no hurricane threat from this. Let's check the GFS, the 06C run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough over the northeast. And again, just beautiful today, sunny with upper 60s. Now, this is tomorrow. There's the tropical system. This is 4 o'clock on the GFS. It's got it south of Mobile Bay. Rain will likely move into extreme South Alabama late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now, this is tomorrow night just after midnight, 1 a.m. The GFS pretty fast with this thing. It brings it up toward Apalachicola with rain mainly over southeast Alabama. Saturday morning, 7 o'clock. It's inland, rain over the eastern and southeastern part of the state. And then by Saturday at 4, rain over far east Alabama and then points east. So you can see clearly on this track the better chance of rain over east and southeast Alabama. Let's check the European. This is Saturday, and it's got the rain a little more to the west, but it's the same idea. Most likely the more significant rains over the eastern half of the state. And that bodes pretty well for the Tuscaloosa, Alabama-Tennessee game Saturday night. Sure looks like it's going to be generally dry, with any showers maybe earlier in the day and mainly east of there. Could be some rain, obviously, for the Jacksonville State game over in Calhoun County, and maybe some rain for the UAB game at Legion Field in Birmingham Saturday afternoon. Now, this is Sunday. That tropical system is back in the Atlantic. We're dry in between systems. The high Sunday should be in the 70s. And then Monday, here comes a cold front, deep surface low near Duluth, Minnesota. Cold front down through Memphis. And that will bring a band of rain and storms in here late Monday afternoon and Monday night. And the air will be somewhat unstable. And that's the reason SPC has that risk of severe storms over parts of central and south Alabama. The main threat, most likely, strong straight line winds. But we need to get the tropical system out of here. Then we can be much more specific with this. And then Tuesday, the front is by. Should be a beautiful day, sunny with a high close to 70. Wednesday, dry and pleasant. And a week from today, Thursday the 24th, a new trough north and west of the state, another cold front approaching, and that will likely bring a chance of storms at the end of next week, toward Thursday night or Friday. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 26th. Boy, look at the vortex over Canada. That's some pretty cold air, and that looks cool and dry for Alabama if this verifies. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches for the rest of the month. And we'll creep up in the 70s on Sunday and Monday, but otherwise highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s for a while, which is at or a little below average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.